and today we are going to be learning how to create error messages in Notepad. So first you're going to type here to search and search up Notepad, open. So I have this right here. Now I'm going to turn it to full screen, and then right here this is what you need to type: x equals MsgBox, and then after that you do an open quote, and then you do 2 speed marks, and then you put, and so for the first 2 of quotes, you put whatever is going to be displayed for the error message. For example, I'm going to put let's see, Windows security is disabled, turn it on, or viruses might turn it on, or your PC will be a target for viruses. So after that, outside of those 2 quotes, put a comma, and then put 0 plus 16. That's gonna make the warning icon. I'm gonna tell you more like 0 plus blah blah blah. They make different symbols, but not for today. That's for a different video. So after 0 plus 16, make another comma and put 2 quotes. In those 2 quotes, it's gonna be your title of whatever error message you're using. So for example, put Windows security. After that, you do a closing bracket. Then we're gonna click File, click Save, and then we're gonna save it to VBS files. So we're gonna put error.vbs. Now I'm going to come back to you. So I'm back at the home screen Windows, and I just made a shortcut for error. So this is name error. I'm gonna double click it, and look, it puts this pop-up: Windows security. Windows security is disabled on your PC. Your PC will be a target for viruses. It has that symbol 0 plus 16 I told you, and its title is Windows security. And when you press OK, it disappears. See you next.